The integral of 1 over x cubed can be evaluated easily once we rewrite 1 over x cubed as x to the negative 3. Then, applying the reverse power rule, we must increase the power of x by 1, so from negative 3 to negative 2, and then divide by that new power, and of course add the arbitrary constant. If we like, we can rewrite this integral as negative 1 over 2x squared plus c. This is the reverse power rule, or power rule for integrals, that we just used. The integral of x to the n is just 1 over n plus 1 times x to the n plus 1 plus c, provided that the power n is not equal to negative 1. Let's try it out on another problem. To find the integral of 1 over x squared, simply rewrite 1 over x squared as x to the negative 2. Then see, we can apply the reverse power rule. Just increase the exponent by 1, so it becomes x to the negative 1, and divide by that new exponent. Of course, we also need to add the arbitrary constant, and finally, we could rewrite this integral as negative 1 over x plus c. To integrate 1 over the square root of x, recall that the square root of x is the same as x to the 1/2. So 1 over the square root of x is the same as x to the negative half. And then we apply the reverse power rule. Increase the exponent by 1, so from negative 1/2 to positive 1/2. And then divide by that new exponent. The new exponent is 1/2, so we divide by 1/2 and add the arbitrary constant. You may recall dividing by a fraction is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by x to the 1/2 plus c. Dividing by a half is the same as multiplying by 2. Finally, in this last problem, the integral of 1 over 3x to the 4th, we can bring the 1/3 out of the integral, which just leaves 1 over x to the 4th inside. But of course, 1 over x to the 4th is the same as x to the negative 4th, and then we can apply the power rule. We must increase the exponent by 1, so x to the negative 4 becomes x to the negative 3, but then we also have to divide by that new exponent. So divide by negative 3 and add on the arbitrary constant. Finally, we can rewrite this integral, if we choose, as negative 1 over 9x cubed plus c. And those are a few basic examples of integrating powers of x. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and check out my Calculus 1 course and Calculus 1 exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.
Couldn't even open myself up for an instant. Was the law, it was regular, I regulate my integrity.